Good morning this Tuesday, the 25th of June. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street started the new trading week mixed as investors sold out of big tech stocks in favour of the banks and energy stocks on Monday. The Dow Jones rose 0.6%, while the Nasdaq and S&P500 posted declines of 1.09% and 0.31% respectively. The pullback in tech stocks is ahead of the US PCE data released later this week, which is the Fed's preferred measure of inflation. And economists are expecting it to be a reading of 0.1% rise for May on April, which would indicate a decline from April's 0.2% rise and signal inflation is slightly easing. With some key inflation drivers remaining sticky though, investors have been bracing for high interest rates for longer. Over in Europe, markets closed higher on Monday ahead of key inflation data and central bank decisions out in the region this week. The Stock 600 rose 0.8% on Monday, Germany's DAX added 0.89%, the French CAC climbed 1.03%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.53%. Asia markets mostly slipped on Monday as investors in the APAC region braced for the key inflation data out later this week in Japan and Australia. Hong Kong's Hang Seng fell 0.88% on Monday, while China's CSI index fell 0.54% yesterday. The local share market started the new trading week 0.8% lower following the release of some disappointing company updates and ahead of the release of Australia's inflation print. Energy stocks took the biggest hit to start the new trading week as the sector closed the day down 1.76%, while healthcare was hit with a 1.63% decline on Monday. Sleep apnea specialist ResMed tumbled 13.2% on Monday on fresh results from a weight loss drug trial, which spooked the market about the relevance of ResMed's devices once again, while online fashion luxury retail platform Setire tanked 49% after the company said its Q4 trading had been hit by a lull in online luxury spend. Elsewhere in fashion, Myer shares jumped 22% on Monday after the department store giant announced it is looking into a potential merger with Premier Investments' apparel business, which includes Just Jeans. Embattled casino operator Star Entertainment fell a further 5.7% yesterday after the company issued a profit warning and noted that former chairman David Foster has now left the board. Local iron ore miners also felt the brunt of investor demand concerns on Monday with a decline across the board, tracking the price of the commodity amid fears of prolonged subdued demand out of China. Ahead of Tuesday's trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are expecting the ASX to shake off yesterday's sell-off to open the day up 0.5%. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 1.17% higher at $81.68 a barrel. Gold is up 0.5% at $2,333 an ounce, and iron ore is down 0.18% at $106.96 a tonne. One Aussie dollar is buying 67 US cents, 106.26 Japanese yen, 52.87 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 9 cents. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration this Tuesday. Bell Potter has downgraded CityChick from a buy to a hold and have significantly reduced the 12-month price target on the plus-size fashion retailer from 62 cents per share to 20 cents per share, following the announcement of the company divesting its US business and the company undertaking a capital raising with proceeds aiming to pay down debt. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Jupiter Mines following the formation of a pattern over a period of 30 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of 32 cents per share to 42 to 44 cents per share, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Tuesday morning. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.